Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks on AutoCAD. Blocks are incredibly powerful tools that let you group objects into a single, reusable unit. Imagine drawing a chair once and then being able to place hundreds of copies without increasing your file size dramatically. This not only saves you a lot of time, but also keeps your drawings organized and efficient. Creating a block is straightforward. First, type block into the command line or access the block definition dialog. You'll then select all the objects you want to include in your block. Next, specify a base point, which is your insertion point, and give your block a clear, descriptive name. Remember, a well-chosen base point makes insertion much easier later on. Once created, inserting a block is simple using the insert command. You can choose from your defined blocks and place them anywhere in your drawing. During insertion, you have options to scale, rotate, or even explode the block back into its original components. If you need to modify an existing block, the block editor provides a dedicated environment for making changes. The benefits of using blocks are numerous. They ensure consistency across your designs, as any change to a block definition updates every instance. This saves countless hours of manual editing. Furthermore, creating a library of frequently used blocks, like doors, windows, or furniture, can dramatically speed up your design process, making your workflow much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.